another session where we study about electrical installation. Today we are going to look at a circuit wiring diagram of a two-way switch controlling one ramp. The previous circuits we are looking at a one-way switch, but today we are going to look at a two-way switch which is controlling one ramp. Before we go any further, please remember to subscribe, comment, like and share the link. If you are a new member, you are welcome. So our circuit, remember, we need a source of supply, and for your safety purpose, before you do any wiring, first isolate the power supply. So a two-way is the switch which has two switching positions, and in the previous circuits we saw that a one-way switch, it has a common which is normally labeled C and another terminal labeled L. In a two-way switch we have C common, L1 and L2, as we are going to see in the circuit. So we shall have our source of supply, this is our neutral, and we shall have a junction box as usual, which has 4 terminals. So our life will come to the first terminal. Our neutral will also occupy this terminal. Then we have our switches. And what you should remember that a two-way, it works with another switch. It has to be a pair in order for a two-way to work. So we have 2 switches. Let us suppose one switch is here and another switch is here. So our switch, it has the common terminal L1 and L2. Also this one, it has a common terminal L1, L2. So we usually connect it like this. Here it means the dotted line, it is the off position. Then where we have a straight line, it is in the on position. So when our power comes from the supply to the JB, then from the JB it will come to our common terminal. Then from the common terminal, we usually have strappers, wires joining each terminal, L1 to L1, L2 to L2. We usually call them strappers. From L1 to L1, then L2 to L2. Those are strappers. Then our ramp feed will come from this common, to this terminal, then from there to the ramp. Then we get a neutral, join the one from the source, which completes the circuit. Then now we can have our AS wire. We can use this terminal in our JB. We tie it on the MK. We also terminate it on the ramp holder. Also this side, we terminate it on the MK. Usually the MKs have the terminal for AS wire, where you can terminate your AS wire, where you can bond the MK and the AS wire. So this one will be our switch 1, this one will be our switch 2, this and this, they are strappers. This is our junction box, this is our ramp, this is our MCB, this is our source of supply. This one, switch 1, which is a 1 gang 2-way, 1 gang 2-way switch. So how the circuit operates: when you switch on, you connect this side to your source of supply, you switch on the MCB, current will flow to this terminal, comes to this terminal, the common terminal. When you switch on, remember now the switch is in the ideal position, the ramp is off. So now we want to switch it on at point A. If we can call this point A and this point B. So now if you are standing at point A and you want to switch on the ramp, the current, after switching on the MCB, the current will come like this, comes here. Then you are switching on, it means this one will come to the dotted line. Then the current will flow through L2. L2, it will find here it is closed. It will flow into the ramp. The ramp will ride. Suppose you are standing at point B. It means your current will come like this. After switching on the MCB, it will come, flow this. When it reaches here, it flows through this L1, comes to L1, and you are standing here. Now you have switched on. This one will come here, and the current will flow up to the ramp, back to the source. It completes the circuit and the ramp comes on. As I said earlier when we are starting, the dotted lines represent the off position. So it means currently the ramp is off, because the current will come like this. When it reaches here, it will flow through L1. When it reaches here, it finds here when it is off. So it will stop here. Currently the ramp is in the off position. So these types of switches, they are commonly used in corridors and houses where you have two entries. mostly where you have two entries, or in bedrooms you can use it as the main switch at the entrance, and the other one besides your bed, where you can switch on when you are still on the bed. So like in hospitals, schools, halls, that's where these switches are commonly used. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. We meet in another session.